Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix EA Javelin Anticheat encountered an error. First thing I want you to do is come to the bottom left, right click on the start icon, click here on Task Manager, okay? And we need to first make sure that any background apps we have are disabled. Disable everything that is running in the background you don't actually need. Save all your files. And then you need to restart the EA game, EA Javelin, and the EA app as an administrator. Okay? So the way you go about this, if the game is open already, make sure that one is closed as well. Game should not be opened or any of its game, support files. So you right click here on the launcher, you click on run as administrator, and when you're prompted, I want you to go ahead and hit yes. Okay? And finally, you can go ahead and repair the game files depending on where you installed it. Let's say you installed it in Steam. I'll show you an example. Come here to library, okay? And then you find your game here on the left-hand panel. What you do is you just right-click on it, click on properties, and then you should see right here, once you click on properties, you click on installed files. You can click on verify integrity of game files. It will check for any corrupted files and basically make sure that all files are correctly installed. Usually, the anti-cheat happens when there are missing files, okay? It assumes there are changes that have been made. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.